Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TD Bank app for tracking crypto transfer fees, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the TD Bank app for tracking crypto transfer fees, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store relevant to your device. If you have an iPhone, go to the App Store. For Android devices, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type TD Bank. Press the search icon or button. Locate the official TD Bank app in the search results. Verify that the app is published by TD Bank, N.A. Tap on the app to open its details page. Review the app's features to ensure it meets your needs. Next, look for the Install button. For iPhone users, this may say Get. For Android users, it will typically say Install. Tap the Install button. The app will automatically download and install on your device. Once installation is complete, locate the app on your home screen. Tap on the TD Bank app icon to open it. You may be prompted to log in or create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account if necessary. After logging in, navigate to the appropriate section for crypto services. Here, you can track transfer fees and other relevant information. Explore the app's features to familiarize yourself with its interface. This will help you track your crypto transfers efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.